While the world is asleep, you are already awake, carrying the weight no one asked for, holding the line no one sees. It isn't just a job. It is the architecture of a life. It is the engine that never quits. It is the reason the lights stay on. It is the shelter for the ones you love. It is the proof that you are still here. And you are still here.